Welcome everyone to my concluding video on the series of Jupiter in the 12 houses. Today I am going to talk about its placement in the 12th house. Before beginning further, I would like to discuss what is this house all about. See, the 12th house is a part of the moksha trines. There are 4 trines in a given chart, and the fourth trine, that is the 4th house, 8th house and the 12th house, they comprise of the moksha trines, which means if many of your planets are associated with these houses or with these signs, then you can be well assured that you would be finding peace by giving away things in your life. So a mighty planet like Jupiter, when it is associated with your 12th house of the moksha trine, you will find happiness, you will find peace by giving away things, because the 12th house is also the house of your expenditure, your losses, your bed comforts, your spirituality. It is the house of hospitals, foreign countries, foreign stays. So many things are associated with the 12th house. 12th house is also the place where the soul will rest after it passes away. You can say that the 12th house is also associated with moksha. So a beneficial planet like Jupiter, when it happens to sit in the 12th house, one can attain moksha through this lifetime only. By doing good deeds, the person is able to attain moksha. This placement is not a very strong placement for a mighty planet like Jupiter, because it is associated with many benefic things for a given chart. So those things would find a setback when Jupiter happens to sit in the 12th house. Also, I would like to tell you that the 9th house, 10th house, 11th house and the 12th house, these are the houses which will give you result in the later part of your life. After you have crossed your middle life, then the planets placed in these houses will give you their results. So a Jupiter like planet, when it happens to sit in the 12th house, will give you its result after you have crossed your middle life. Jupiter, as it is a karka of fame, of respect, of counsel, so you would be able to do all these things through this placement. You will be able to do respectful work, you will be able to counsel others, you will be able to acquire knowledge, but the real fame, the real knowledge and the real happiness will come to you after you have crossed your middle age, because of this placement of Jupiter. Jupiter is associated with your happiness, with your children. For women, it's their husband, it's your elder brother, it is your knowledge, it is your wisdom. So when it goes to the 12th house, you will have some kind of stress related to children, or you can say that your children could be settled abroad, or you may not be very ambitious about having children. Jupiter, because it is connected with your happiness, when it goes to the 12th house, these people are not very much interested in their worldly affairs, in the worldly life. They would find peace in meditation or in doing spiritual activities. These are those people who would not mind spending their money to learn spirituality. These are the people who would like to visit some kind of spiritual centers where they can learn more about spirituality. These are the people who are seen spending their money to learn astrology or other form of healing arts. These people could be very good healers. In fact, when you have many benefics in your 6th house, 8th house and the 12th house, you can be rest assured that you have got wonderful healing abilities. You would also like to spend your money on auspicious activities. See, the benefics, when they are present in the 12th house, they will make sure that you are safeguarded from spending your money on unnecessary things. But when a benefic like Jupiter sits here, you would shell out your money for the benefic activities or for the benefit of people in large. So these people are spending money, but only on the beneficial activities. Their interest lies in foreign countries or in spirituality. They can be very imaginative because the 12th house is also about your imagination. These people will gain their intuitiveness by going deeper into meditation. These are the people who can easily go in for astral travels, because Jupiter is also aspecting the other moksha trines from here, and sitting itself in the moksha trine, these people can talk to the spirit world or can do astral travels. This is how they gain in terms of their spirituality. They can be wonderful doctors, wonderful healers, and they have got great imagination, for which they need to connect to the inner world to bring it out. Jupiter will give you lots of bed pleasures through this placement, but that will happen in your early age. As your age matures, you will find yourself drawn towards spirituality, and you will turn very spiritual with age. From here, Jupiter is aspecting your 4th house. It means that you will try to find your peace, your happiness by connecting to the spiritual world. Or you could be spending money on your near and dear ones, or on your mother, or on finding peaceful activities at home. From here, Jupiter is also aspecting your 6th house. The 6th house is all about your difficulties, diseases, and your day-to-day life. So your day-to-day life has to involve some kind of healing, some kind of religion, some kind of spirituality, some kind of counsel. You could be very good with giving advice to people. Through spirituality, you will be able to get rid of many of your difficulties and many of your diseases. So you would always find cure through some natural means of healing or naturopathy. This placement of Jupiter also assures that you could be having enemies who are your gurus. There could be people who are well learned, and they could be jealous of you, because the planets that are placed in the 12th house will give you those people who are jealous of you. At the same time, because 12th house is also connected with enemies, so a benefic like Jupiter will mitigate all the enemies. Jupiter is also aspecting your 8th house of longevity. So this placement will give you a long life. Now Jupiter, as per Bhavat Bhavam, sits in the 2nd house to your 11th house, by which I mean to say that your earnings would come through the spiritual field, or through medicine industry, or through occult field, or through any kind of work that is associated with the 12th house, from foreign countries, from foreign sources. For the Capricorn ascendant, Jupiter is the lord of the 12th house only. and sitting in the 12th house, it is going to give you very good results. For the Libra ascendant also, Jupiter will give you very good results because it is controlling your 3rd house and your 6th house. So it does very well in the 12th house. It forms a Vipreet Raj Yoga and it will give you riches. For the Taurus ascendant also, Jupiter does very well in the 12th house because it is a functional malefic and it controls your 8th house. So it is going to form a Vipreet Raj Yoga and give you riches during its period. So Jupiter in the 12th house is 3rd from your 10th house, which means that you will not be very ambitious about your career and you are going to take it very easy. From your 9th house, Jupiter is placed 4 houses away. By that I mean to say that your father would be very good at heart, or you could find happiness in pursuing your religiousness by constructing temples, or you would find your happiness in spirituality, or you would find your happiness related to religion in spirituality or in spiritual deeds. Jupiter is placed 5 houses away from your 8th house. So you would like to learn more of the occult field and you would like to imply your mind in finding the real knowledge of the occult world. These people could also have interest in tantras and in the occult sciences. From the 7th house, it is placed 6 houses away. So the difficulties of your marriage could only be mitigated by following the spiritual path, or it could be the other way around, that due to your excess spirituality your marriage could suffer. So from your 6th house, it is placed 7 houses away. So you could do business related to the spiritual work. In your day-to-day life, you could interact with people who are into the spiritual field. From your 5th house, it is placed 8 houses away. So you could find some issues related to your children or related to their upbringing due to this placement. From the 4th house, it is placed 9 houses away. So your mother will play a role in bringing you into the spiritual field, or it could also mean that you would want to settle outside your country of birth. There you could do very well, and your fame also lies in a foreign country. From the 2nd house, it is placed 11 houses away. So you will have gains coming through your family members. So friends, this was all about the placement of Jupiter in the 12th house. Please do like, subscribe and share to my video. And I want to thank you all for listening. And I am going to start with the series of Rahu in various houses. So stay tuned, stay connected, and I'll see you very soon with my next video. Thank you all for listening.